To enable and use Circle to Search on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter apps, and here in default apps, just make sure that your digital assistant app is selected to Google, otherwise Circle to Search won't work. After that, we can find the navigation in System and Updates, and here activate Circle to Search. Now to actually use it, first of all, we'll need to click and hold the home button right here. After a couple of seconds, we'll be able to see the Circle to Search interface. Now there's plenty of things that you can do here. First thing is to select text. Normally you won't be able to select text in the settings, but here we can. We can just go and select entire page, then we can copy or translate it. There's also option to translate entire page if you like, so we can go for English, the text in English as main language, and then we can go for any other language to translate to. You can also click on the images on your pages like that, and then it will perform a Google image search with them. Then lastly, there's options to detect music. As I said, translate entire pages with this button. And there's also option to just use Google search, so we can click on the Google page if that thing would kindly go out. We can click on the Google thing and then perform entire screen search with that. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.